What are you doing?
Put your hands in the air! Pop, 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 pop! Pop, 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 pop! 2, 3, oh my god!
I'm using the bathroom. Chopper. Really? Sit on my lap?
Tolly. I will hurry up, but you got to let me just... Give me a second.
If I didn't give birth to this dog, then tell me why we're sitting exactly the same.
Thank you, Popo. Thank you. Okay.
Look at Randy Orton slithering.
Watch out!
In a desperate attempt to fill 24 hours of programming, here's some bullshit that happened somewhere today.
She was the size of his paw. She did not know that she was 16 ounces.